Babe?
Yeah. Alright, we got a cedar waxwing.
Which 2 cedars?
2 cedars.
3 cedars. There's another one. Just came over. No, look at that little chunky one.
Another one right there, his body.
He's chunky.
Chunky. You getting them berries.
Oh, we're getting more.
Look how cool he is.
Oh, look, there are more coming in.
He's getting them berries.
Oh, they're so cute.
There we go.
Look, there's 2 right here.
Cool. Alright, now
That's so cool.
I just gotta find them. There we go. There we go. There's a cedar. There's cedar waxwings.
Here's some berries.
They're eating berries.
Berries.
Because they hungry.
Who's that?
They're freaking cool ass birds.
Is that a titty up there? I think there's a titty up there too.
Yeah.
Where'd the cedars go?
They went away.
They went there.
They went away. Okay, bye-bye. Got one in sight right there.
Ooh, right
It's
there.
a cedar waxwing. He's so cool.
He is cool.
Oh my god.
He's just sitting there.
Even though they're a little drab right now because of the fall,
they were still really
still cool. Where'd you go? Right here in front of me. I can't see. Oh, he left. Or did he leave? I don't know. Is that him right there? Oh, now he moved up. And I think he left. Okay, bye.